number 1 of our Semi-D-League Championship. First, let's all welcome Team Brodies! From Pampanga, shooting guard, Yuan Dizon! Next finalist, another guy from Pampanga, their center, wearing jersey number 23, Bermar Cortez. Another guy from Pampanga, San Fernando, their center, number 16, Rocky, the big guy, Pangilina. Next up, another shooting guard wearing jersey number 10, KD, Kevin De Guzman. Susunod po. Next, the shooting guard wearing jersey number 3 from Mayantok, Tarlac, Ariel Kaluskusan. Another guy from Pampanga, small forward, wearing jersey number 9, the high flyer, Kenneth De La Cruz. Next up, the point guard, wearing jersey number 5 from Manila, Carl Bermudez. Ulang-ulang lalat. Lalayapin eh. Layap sa kabiti yan. Laman. Next, another shooting forward, wearing jersey number 5, Casper Casitas. Another shooting forward, wearing jersey number 6, from Makilala, North Cotabato, Kenneth Ortega. From Cavite, wearing jersey number 34, Anjo Marves. Another point guard from La Union, wearing jersey number 21, John Kevin Remiendo. Next finalist is from Cagayan de Oro, wearing jersey number 14, Richard Gachapi. Next power forward, wearing jersey number 15, KB Ulibas. Next finalist, their hot shooting guard from Silang Cavite, wearing jersey number 24, Yanni Aliquin. Their assistant coach is Coach Rick Texan. And the head coach of Team Brudis. Ayun na lagi kaya. Last but not the least, the main man from Apalit, Pampanga, KG Garcia. Halime pa yan. Ito pang coach. Kanya lagi coach na. And their head coach, Coach Rod. Let's give it up for Team Brody! Kulang-kulang lang eh. Ala itang kahit mo eh. Una membok. Ano? Nanggir. Escape.
Dito para nakikita niyo.
Anak po. Pause mo. Escape. It's me. May delay ka tagin. Handa na ba kayo sa susunod nating tatawagin? Hindi niya mahanap. Let's all welcome their opponent, Team Jammers Albayat Team! First finalist is their center from Bacolod City, wearing jersey number 13, Edmond Protasio. Next, their shooting guard from Olongapo City, wearing jersey number 5, Aldwin Rosas. Next, from La Paz, St. George Samar, wearing jersey number 22, power forward, Levino Bisna. Next, their point guard, wearing jersey number 8 from Rizal, G. Habana Jr. Another forward from Bacolod City, wearing jersey number 9, Clayton Arquisora. Next, their point guard, wearing jersey number 23, Little Jacob Rusal, AJ Bruto.
Guys, dito natin po eh. Para yung dumarating, medyo apiro ninyo ha. Ulat ko!
Another forward resides in Bacolod City, wearing jersey number 1, Mark Papa. Another forward from Malolos, Bulacan, wearing jersey number 17, JB Mendoza. Next up from Las Piñas City, Season 1 MVP, Agent Zero JM Pelayo. Next, the point guard from Las Piñas City, wearing jersey number 21, Super Sub Nathan Laros. Next, the point guard, wearing jersey number 25 from Davao City, Jess Tahas. The center is from Pampanga, wearing jersey number 21, Kenneth Gomez. And the team manager resides from Davao City. Give it up, Ma'am Jamila. The head coach, Big Giant from Bacolod City. Give it up for Junjun Cuervo. Palakpakan natin, Team Jammers! Bangbangan na! Sinong magwawagi sa ating Game 1? Jammers Brodies! Let's get it on!
Lapit mo sa
Oh, picture mo. Nag-video ko.
Oh guys, magandang lahat. Straight lang muna tayo dito. Mga galing-galing na nagkagawa na.
One day tayo.
Straight lang tayo. Magandang ako lahat. Congratulations po na sa inyo, Bunti. Kayo yung mga master na pumasok dito sa finals. Alam ko, parehas kayong mahal ng champion. Kaya magkasabi ko lang sa inyo, ingat lang tayo sa game. Iwasan natin yung mga aksidente tayo o mga aksidente yung mga kasalanan natin. Basta, kahit lang tayo, alam ko naman na hindi mga trabaho tayo dito. Second option lang, gawin lang natin yung basketball. Ang importante dito yung trabaho natin. Lahat lang tayo mga magmula natin yung mga pagulog. Basta pampalis ng stress at pagod namin ito basketball. Basta, kung ano yung mga hatod ng referee, ako na yung referee yun. Kayo, nag-focus lang kayo sa game. Kung ang mga referee naman nilipot niya namin, ako na lang ang makikita sa kanila. Basta, focus lang kayo sa game. Enjoy lang ninyo yung gawin ito. At bigay natin ang magandang dapat yung mga bahan mo sa dito.
Okay? Check-in muna tayo.
Enjoy game. O, one day tayo, and then dito tayo.
Guys, dito tayo humalap. Dito kayo humalap. One day.
Ano ba tayo dito? O, one day tayo, one day.
Picture.
Blue picture.